So here is my fire lighting kit. And inside we have some birch bark, cotton wool, fire lighter, another fire lighter, and
so they're the magnesium and steel, aren't they? So
yeah, this is magnesium and steel, and this is flint and steel. But yeah, this one folds out like that.
Okay, and what are we going to make today?
So today we're gonna melt some candle wax in with like some cotton pads, and they're gonna be good firelighters.
Yeah, going to melt the candle wax, get that all liquid, and then we're going to use these, which we got from Mum's Makeup, and we're going to soak these and let them dry. And then when they're dry, these will be good as a firelighter.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is take the candles out of there and put in the tin. So if you want to hold that, Ev, over here. So let's see if we can get these out. Okay, so these should just fall out. We've got a couple, never done that before. I mean,
yeah, this is something, isn't it, for scouts?
well, we can use it. I mean,
yeah.
But it's things that people do for bushcraft, isn't it? Just to
Yeah, because this weekend is Scouts winter camp weekend, so we're.
And I want my glove. This won't take long to melt. Do you want to stand up here? In fact, while you're doing that, stay there and I'll just take this window out so we can see a bit better. Because it's not raining anymore, is it?
No. It was never raining today.
This morning it was all damp and horrible.
Yeah, but it wasn't raining when we've been in here.
So,
okay.
That is all.
Now that's sizzling and melting.
It's sizzling, yeah. We want it just to all melt down, don't we? It won't take too long, hopefully. Obviously, one of them's a bit bigger than the others.
Hey, needs more wax.
Okay, so all the wax on the candle's pretty much melted now. There's a few little bits just floating around in there.
I've seen it.
Yeah. Right, so what we need to do now is over there on your bench, Ev, if you want to take these. Right, here we go. One stuff, because this is hot wax. Right, so what we're going to do now is dunk. So that's one of, there you go, there's one, and then we're just going to let that dry. Dunk one in, mate, just drop one in. Try and get it sort of flat, that's it. This is soaking up the wax for the candles. Hang on a second. Or will we get another one?
Okay, so today what we're going to be using to light the fire is one of our so-called poppadoms, which aren't poppadoms, they just look like one, but which are some like cotton makeup pads soaked in wax and dried.
Okay,
so
ready?
Technically it's a bit like a candle firelighter.
Okay. So obviously it's the melted wax candles that contain the paraffin. As you can see, you get quite a slow burn off it. And that should start our fire.
juice that I spilled yesterday.
Yeah.
They kind of look a bit like poppadoms.
So we melted the wax, didn't we? Dipped them in.
They smell nice too.
Well, only because it's a scented candle thing. So now they are just the cotton pads, but they are hard.
Hard makeup pads.
Yeah, because they've got, obviously it's wax, isn't it? But then they're slow to burn, so it's a good way of starting a fire.